Yawning is something we all do, but have you ever wondered why?
When we yawn, it's like giving our brain a little boost. It helps us wake up and feel more alert. Imagine your brain is like a smartphone that needs to recharge. A yawn is like plugging it in for a quick charge. Scientists say yawning helps cool our brains down. Just like how we open a window when it's hot inside, yawning lets in fresh air and cools us off. And guess what? Yawning can be contagious. If you see someone yawn, you might feel like yawning too. It's like a fun game that our brains play together. Here's a surprising fact. Some animals yawn too. Even dogs and cats yawn when they're sleepy or bored, just like us. So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of saying, let's wake up and have some fun.